Abby Crib and Changer. Please make sure you have all the correct pieces and hardware, and if anything is missing, please contact Consumer Care. One way to make sure you are working with the correct hardware is to compare them to the illustrations in the instructions. First step, we will attach the rails to the common side, and for this you need 4 80mm bolts, 2 60mm bolts, 1 55mm bolt, 1 30mm bolt, 5 barrel nuts, 6 metal pins, and the provided Allen wrench. Remember to use the short end of the Allen wrench to appropriately tighten the bolts. Please use the illustrations in the instructions to make sure you are working with the correct rail. Please note that the difference between the middle shelf rail and back bottom rail is the position of the grooves. Remember to insert the barrel nut on its side so that the bolt can go through. Like that. Second step, we will attach the changer surface, the front middle rail, and changer surface rails. And for this, no tools are required. Like that. Third step, we will position the shelves and center panel, and for this, no tools are required. Make sure that the longer notch faces the center. Like that. Next, we will attach the changer end, and for this you need 4 80mm bolts, 2 60mm bolts, 1 55mm bolt, 1 30mm bolt, 5 barrel nuts, 6 metal pins, and the provided Allen wrench. Like that. Next step, we will assemble the left side of the crib, and for this you need 2 55mm bolts, 3 40mm bolts, 2 barrel nuts, and the provided Allen wrench. Remember to insert the barrel nut on its side so that the bolt can go through. like that. Next step, we will attach the left side front rail and stabilizer bar to the changing top. And for this you need 6 80mm bolts, 6 barrel nuts, 2 metal pins, and the provided Allen wrench. The last 2 bolts will go in through the drawer space. Like that. Next, we will attach the mattress support. And for this you need 4 18mm bolts and the provided Allen wrench. Remember to use the highest position for your newborn and go downwards as your child grows. That. Next, we will attach the back rail, and for this you need 2 80mm bolts, 2 barrel nuts, and the provided Allen wrench. Remember to insert the barrel nut on its side so that the bolt can go through. Like that. Next, we will attach the top back rail, and for this you need 2 80mm bolts, 2 barrel nuts, 2 metal pins, and the provided Allen wrench. Like that. Next, we will assemble the drawers, and for this you need 8 40mm screws, 8 25mm screws, 8 plastic barrel nuts, 2 knobs, 2 knob screws, and a Phillips head screwdriver that is included. Make sure that the grooves of the pieces align. For this part, we will use the shorter screws. Now repeats for the other drawer. Like that. Now we will place the changing pad, and for this all you need is the provided Allen wrench. Check that the bolt securing the strap is tightened using the Allen wrench. that. Remember to return the instructions to the pouch that they came in. You will need them later. And like that, congratulations! You've just assembled the Abby Crib and Changer. Toddler guardrail and full-size bed rails are available for purchase.